I've been using this Netflix make money trick for the last 2 years to generate passive income. In this video, I'll show you this trick that I'm sure you will agree it makes sense. Stay tuned to the end, as once I've finished showing you this method, I'll show you how you can utilize this technique with 6 online business ideas you can start from home. So let's get into this Netflix make money trick that helped me create more passive income. Firstly, open up Netflix, hover over the profile picture in the top right hand corner. Then at the bottom where it says sign out of Netflix, click on it, then get to work. Yeah, you heard me. That's the trick. Log off Netflix. If you have goals in your life, it's far more productive to start an online business than it is to watch Netflix. I did that and I started this YouTube channel and another YouTube channel, and it has grown consistently over time and has started to create passive income opportunities for me. My mindset changed from consuming content to creating content, and that's what I want to show you today. So if you agree with my logic and like the idea of having an online business but don't know where to start, here are 6 online business ideas you can start today with no money down. Number 1, YouTube. This is where I shifted my attention to when I stopped watching Netflix. The saying goes, where focus goes, energy flows, and this channel is where my energy is going. I like YouTube because you can literally make the content once and it keeps generating passive income over time. Of course, you have to spend time to research and create the videos, but once made, if you get the views, the revenue can potentially keep coming in. The good thing about YouTube is that you don't have to make money from just ad views. You can also earn money from affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling merch. So there are multiple income streams you can utilize to monetize your content. I have made plenty of videos on this channel about how to start a YouTube channel, how to grow a YouTube channel ideas, how to edit videos, how to research topics to get views. I go into a lot of detail to help you get started. Feel free to check out my playlist. I'll stick a link to it in the description below. Online business idea 2 is freelancing on FIVERR. If you didn't know, FIVERR is a marketplace where you can sell a wide range of digital services to businesses and individuals. So if you have a good voice, you could create a gig offering voiceovers. If you're good at graphic design, you can sell social media templates or provide graphic design services. If you're good with words, which I'm not, you can offer copywriting services. You could write ads for companies, you can do blog posts, or you can do video scripts. You can also offer video editing, web programming, and much more. If you have digital skills in a certain area, there's ways to monetize it. If not, you can always learn those skills on YouTube. I create videos on how to use CANVA, for example. You can easily learn how to use CANVA, then sell social media designs you make in CANVA to businesses. There are loads of gigs doing that. I did an entire video on how to do that. You can feel free to check that out. I'll put that in the link below as well. Idea number 3, Instagram pages. People are making full-time incomes from Instagram sponsored posts and selling merch. The business model is simple. Post content, build a following, and then sell to that following. You can create an Instagram page on any topic from fashion and fitness to home decor and finance. Once you build a following, you can then sell sponsored posts, merchandise, or digital products. You can also promote affiliate products and get a commission from the sales. The key here is to post consistently and make engaging content. A popular Instagram segment I see at the moment is business motivation pages. You can create these posts easily in CANVA or buy a ton of pre-made ones on FIVERR and then post them on Instagram. Again, consistency is the key here. Once you've built up a following, you can add links to it and start promoting products on there. Income idea number 4 is blogging. If you are super passionate about a topic and are good at writing, then you can try your hand at starting a blog. It's really easy to throw up a website nowadays and write about anything. The goal is to get views and then monetize those views. Many people have earned passive income from their blogs. One of the most famous examples of this is the Huffington Post. This blog was launched by Arianna Huffington in 2005, and according to Forbes, it now makes $14 million a month. Of course, she now has a team of writers and hundreds of people working on the site. Another hugely popular blog is Engadget. This site makes $5.5 million a month according to Forbes, and they post tech reviews and news. Once you do start to generate traffic, you can earn income from ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling products. Also, if you create evergreen content, this can help provide views and revenue over a longer period of time. The most popular website software to publish your blog is WordPress. I've been using it for over 10 years to create blogs, and I can safely recommend it. Another way to make money online is to sell online courses. The idea here is to make a course once and sell it forever. Because it's a digital product, it can be sold over and over again without additional production costs. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can package up your knowledge and sell it to people. If it's valuable to someone, someone will buy it. For example, if you're great at graphic design or video editing or web design, you can create a course around that. You can then sell the course yourself on your own website or sell it through a third-party platform like Skillshare or Udemy. The good thing about using a third-party marketplace to sell your course is that they can put you in front of a huge audience of ready and willing learners. I mean, if you've already built up an audience on YouTube, Instagram or blogging, then selling an online course directly to these people via a mailing list or via your own social media accounts would be far more cost effective. I'm going to be creating more videos on how to make online tutorials and courses, so stay tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Idea number 6 is to sell print on demand merchandise. If you have some creative flair, then it could be a good idea to put your designs on merchandise like t-shirts and mugs and then sell it to people. The good thing about this is that you don't have to hold any stock or even print and ship it out yourself. Companies like Teespring, Printful and Spreadshirt allow you to add your designs to mock-ups of products. You then just promote these products and these companies will print it out and distribute it for you. You then get a cut of all the sales that they make. The key here is to create unique designs and promote it via social media, emails, blogs, or if you have a budget, you can set up paid ads on Facebook. This is another relatively easy one to start that requires no or little money up front. Of course, creating designs that sell and promoting them is the hard part. That's what you need to figure out. Like with other business ideas discussed in this video, it's easier if you have an existing audience on social media or YouTube. You can then promote it directly to that audience. There you go, 6 online business ideas you can start from home. I'll put some useful links in the description, so feel free to check them out and like and subscribe if you found this useful. Oh, and by the way, I do love Netflix once in a while. I'm not saying you should completely stop watching it. There is a time and a place for it, and if you can reach your goals while still enjoying it, fair play to you. All the best.